Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us once again. In my hand, you see, on our previous video, I said why we are staying in Nigeria. So back we are in Ghana, and over there in Nigeria, I was able to locate this wonderful. Philip, leave it, leave it, leave it. These wonderful seeds. Okay, these are Ugwu seed. Philip, leave it. Leave it now. Leave it. Leave it. These are Ugwu seeds. Okay. These are Ugwu seeds. Let me put it here so that it will be seen. This one is I was able to get this for 200 naira. Okay. So these are fresh Ugwu seeds. Fluted pumpkin seed, not the other pumpkin. Okay, they look alike, but this one is fluted pumpkin. It's different. Fluted pumpkin is Ugwu in Nigeria, while we have the other pumpkin, which on our previous video, the one we harvested. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we are going to plant it. Okay, so follow me. So I'm going to leave that in this. I want to make use of this place. What is this? Bitter leaf. Manuela, bring me the. Oh, yeah. So we are going to make here ready for the pumpkin, the Ugwu fluted pumpkin. Philip, please stand back. Here are some roots of I think, let me get a rake. Let me get it. So this is our rake. I'm going to remove all this. These are some plantain. Okay. The ground is so strong. That is what Ugwu likes. So the ground has been so strong. That is what is needed. So this is one. I'll just do the second one and we'll continue. Manola, hey, give me the cutlass. Philip, leave there, go back. Go back. So this is very okay like this. Manuela, leave that. It's cassava, leave it. Just leave it there. Philip, leave it. So the next thing now is to get water over there because the ground has been, we're in the dry season. The rain has not fallen for over 3-4 months. So let me go and connect the pipe. Okay. Oh, please, leave this. So, this is our pipe. We are going to soak here very well so that the nutrients can be revitalized. Then we'll add some homemade manures, like we'll be adding some things here. So we'll make the soil to be very soft so that the nutrients can pick up, because the moment we drop the Ugwu seed, the germination process has begun. And we'll be wetting it at least 2 or 3 times in a day. Manuela, stop that now, you're making noise. Stop. Philip, stand back. Manuela, go and off the tap. Go and off the tap. Philip, stop. So I'll leave it while she is busy locking it. Okay. So Philip, leave it. Philip, leave it. Just leave it. Lock the tap. So Emanuela has locked the tap. So this Ugwu seed, we have 5 Ugwu seeds here. We are going to locate the eyes, okay, like this. Now we'll locate the eyes. So this is where the eyes is. You see it has some pointed like it's here is pointed, okay, so that is where the germination will begin from. So we are going, Philip, leave there. So we are going to just make some small hole. So this is the eye of the Ugwu. So we'll put it about 7 inches down. I'm going to add some. This is another eye here, you can see. So we'll just make it like this. So that is the eye, okay. So because we'll be wetting it, so as we are wetting it, some of the soil will later go down. I just use that to protect the eyes. So we take a look at this. We locate the eyes again. This is another eye. This is another eye. This is another eye. This eye, it is where the germination will begin. So we don't want to stress the Ugwu when the germination begins, so that it will be easy for it to come up. So this is the eye here. The eye, before the eye is very smooth, then the eye, it has some like sharp objects. So going to lay it here like this. We'll cover it, then I'll just add the last one. This is the eye here again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is all. So I will just use this to protect the corner, then I'll be wetting it. So beautiful people, we are done planting our fluted So beautiful people, we are done planting our fluted pumpkin seed, which is Ugwu. Okay, it's different from the other pumpkin. So this, we have 5 seeds and we have planted them all. So this is evening. We are going to stop here. Then first thing tomorrow morning, I will wet it. I'll be wetting it at least morning and evening, and night, you know, constant wetting. So we'll just leave it like that. So like this video, share, comment, and drop in the comment section what you think about this method. If you have other suggestions of how planting Ugwu seed, let us know. And don't forget to thumbs up, give up, subscribe. Okay, subscribe if you're just watching us for the first time or you're just tuning in. Subscribe, and don't forget to turn up the notification bell. See you in our next video, where we'll be taking you in the process of wetting it and the process of germination. Okay, bye bye.